In half a mile, use the left lane to take the US 16A ramp to Mount Rushmore. Use the left lane to take the US 16A ramp. Continue for 4 miles.
Wow, lumalakas. Hindi natin masyado nakita eh.
Miners Gateway Tunnel.
Pangalan?
Miners Gateway Tunnel. Keystone. Ayun palang parking. Oh. Gusto mo kumain dito, papasok ka din ng parking.
Kagabi, buhay na buhay sila dito eh. Pag uwi natin, buhay, may lasing pa eh. Susuray-suray eh. Ano oras kaya bukas ng mga souvenirs eh, no? watch out for falling rocks. Oh, wow, huminto yung ulan. Nice. Thank you for the sunshine. Thank you for rain. Haba ng slide, babe. Nakita mo yun? Nakita mo yun?
Skiing yan.
Okay, we are here at Mount Rushmore National Memorial.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto South Dakota 244 West. Continue straight onto South Dakota 244 West. Continue on South Dakota 244 West for 1.5 miles.
Iba yung rocks nila, no? Yung formation nila tsaka yung color compare sa Sedona. Pero ito maganda din. Slow traffic, keep right. Okay, I will. Oh, wow, kita rito, babe. Sila, oh. From here. Check them out from here. Look at them. I know. Ang ganda, no?
Yeah.
Di ba take photos here?
Doon na, ganun din naman eh.
This one is different angles, like this is highway thing.
Bababa tayo.
Yeah, saglit lang. Picture lang natin. Okay, sige. So ibig sabihin yung sunrise nakakaharap sa kanila. God. Sarap na moment nun, no? Makita mo yung sun umaangat. Tas
In 1,000 feet, use any lane to turn sharply right. Use any lane to turn sharply right, then you will arrive at your destination.
look at on your left. vehicle lane.
Yan pala yan.
You have arrived.
Ay, autos. Good morning!
Welcome back.
How are we gonna do this?
You're good.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Close? Close? Ay, close yun sa taas, madaya. Dito tayo. MB po sa taas oh. How are we gonna get there?
Pasok ka dyan.
Let's exit.
Ayan.
Yeah. I think we had to ulitin natin. Pasok ulit tayo sa may ano. Do not enter eh. How are we gonna get there?
Sa taas ka, akit ka doon. Yan, yung sa
Yeah,
ilan
subukan
na
natin.
yan.
Ito.
Yan, pasok ka dyan.
Ito na ba yun? Oh wow, yeah, ito yun. Parking pa lang eh, no? May ano ka na eh, view ka na eh. Pero kailangan dito ka sa taas. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go, Dora. Ayun sila oh, nakatingin sa'yo lagi eh. Ayun oh.
Yung panila.
Ganda nung ano na yun, mountain na yun. Tara, Big. Talagang mapapatayo ka sa center, babe, eh, no? Grabe. Ganda. Kahit hindi siya tapos, napaka ano, detail nung pagkakagawa sa kanya. Information center, wheelchair available, then restroom.
Yan. Yan, para ka na rin nakapunta.
Sino, babe?
Diba? Oh, para ka na rin nakapunta. Hindi, naglalakad. Oh, anong nagagawa nila yun? Merong Microsoft yun.
Rushmore Workers 1927 to 1941. Worker recognition plaque donated in 1996 by Don and Caroline Clifford in remembrance of his fellow workers. Dami niya, no? Oh, wow. Oh my God. Papalapit yan, papalapit. Mapapawaw ka na, mapapawaw eh. Wow. Memorial Ice Cream, Carver's Marketplace, gift shop. Papasok tayo dyan mamaya.
Ganda daw ng ngiti mo sa akin.
Ha? Yeah, man. Life is about experience, Liz. Come on, man. Get up there and go somewhere. Oh my God, tingnan mo yung rocks nila, oh. Kakaiba, no?
Handok talaga.
Wow. Grand entrance eh. Tingnan mo, tantananan. Tititigan mo siya maghapon eh. Oh. Oh my God, ayun yung ano, Presidential Trail. Right there, ayun, may nakita ko dalawa naglalakad ayun, oh. Oh my God, parang gusto ko pun ano yun ah, i-try yun ah. Babe, do you wanna try the Presidential Trail?
Where?
You see those ayun, meron doon rails. I think that is part of the trail.
Oh my God, going up?
No, may nakita akong dalawang person na naglakad doon. Ayun, meron pa, ayun. You see them?
Going up?
Yeah, it was a well maintained trail, I guess. It's not a wild.
So, saan tayo bababa?
I don't know, babe. We're gonna ask them. I've never been there. Dito yung may ceremony kagabi. You wanna take a hike? Huh?
No.
Let's ask natin sila kung how much.
Saan?
Doon sa information center.
Di pa tayo kumain, mag-hike.
Yeah, so I think it's more than a mile hike. Then pupunta tayo. Ay, ano naman? That's beautiful. Ano ask natin? Is it 8 o'clock na ba?
7:39.
7:39? O 8 o'clock pa bukas na. Dito mo tayo tumambay. So wala pa nalalaglag ng bato dyan, babe? Do you think so? Na, ayun yung malalaking tipak na yun, no?
Wala.
黃石公園我哋嚟啦，咁整個錄像。
Mm.
呢個啊，
So sino yung unang president, babe?
Washington.
Nasa left. Si
Washington.
Washington, no? May ano pa siya eh. Collar eh. Then yung sumunod,
Yan di ko kalala. Kilala ko lang dyan si Washington at saka si
Lincoln.
Lincoln.
I think Theodore Roosevelt is the one na katabi ni Lincoln.
Yung
Parang
isa.
ano siya, no? Parang meron siyang ilalagay na salamin na frame, pero hindi natapos. Parang nakasalamin siya, eh, no? Tapos yung isa, I forgot. Yan. Don't judge us. It's, we just forgot. Yung katabi ni Washington. I think pwede pa siyang isa eh, dito sa left eh. Siya pang president eh. Tapos yung kay Lincoln sa right side, pwede pa isa eh. Yan dito. Sabi nila may daan daw dyan, baby. Lalabas ka dun sa ice. I don't know kung totoo yun. Hintayin natin ng 8 o'clock then.
Pasok tayo dun no, sa Sculptural Museum.
Okay.
And then, the visit, ayun o, yung Lincoln Burgharm.
So let's visit this Lincoln Burglum Visitor Center.
Hindi mo na makita siya. Oh, that's a theater.
Oh my God, babe, tingnan mo. Ano, hindi pa siya na ano. Theater A. Next movie begins 1642.
Ulit tayo?
May bayad ba yan?
Wala, libre yun makasok.
Exhibit hall.
Exhibit hall.
Excuse me, can I record here?
Sorry?
Can I record?
Yes.
Alright, thank you. Do we have to pay on the theater? Do you have to pay on the theater?
Nope, you can walk right in. So, yeah, that one is going to play in 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
That one does play on the 15:45 minute mark. However, we're dealing a couple issues with it.
Okay.
Over it, so it might not be ready.
Okay.
We gotta go to the exhibit hall first.
Yeah, hold on. I want to see this part. Ganda ng photos nito. Ang tindi oh. Ang tindi, no? Tara. Tanong mo nga kung ano, I'm sorry, I have to ask you another questions. Can I film on theater also?
Yes.
Sila yung Mary Alice. Mary Alice in Oregon.
Excuse me.
Thousands of times during the creation. The pointing system was never exactly perfect, since even small differences can be caused.
I was always exploring the human body with light.
Professor Walter Long.
I guess light has been my theme, really. all
Hard
through life.
as
And,
the pioneer
when
of
I
expression.
had this wonderful opportunity to go with Mr. Corrigan, he said to me, that there was one
Grabe, ito pa yung mga tools nila.
making a monument
Doon sila umupo, naghahang. Ayun.
each base,
Ayun.
60 feet from here to here. And,
That's the cable.
it had
Tapos ikakarang mo to para bumaba sila.
on the sea,
Lupit din.
miles away, in plains,
Eto,
villages,
what is this?
Keystone, Rapid City, Marios. It had to be
The company who made this is from New York, USA.
Lincoln looked like, Washington looked like, Jefferson looked like, and
Ang gato nyo. What is this? Ito. Sculpture on a grand scale. Yun yung butas-butas na yun, oh. Ito yun, oh. And then, ito ginamit nila. Tsaka yung martilyo. Tsaka yun. Ito, which is this one. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool, man. Ito, blacksmith shop. Oh my god, ano to? A long recording beats and points sharpened. Original paper yun? Assorted beat sharpening tools. Miscellaneous tools made by the blacksmith. So ito. Ito yun. Explosive.
The pointing system was never exactly perfect, since even small differences can become exaggerated when transferred from the 6-foot basis on the model to the 60.
Ministahan pa sila. Daily record too. Men on the granite.
Skill and genius as a sculptor allowed him to finesse the stone and bring the faces to life. The results of Borglum's handiwork have earned him world-renowned praise as the man who transformed a mountain
Ilong.
into a larger-than-life
Tenga.
work of art.
Kamay. Tingnan mo to, oh. Nakahang siya, oh.
More than a mere
Habang nag-ano siya, jackhammer.
it is first and foremost
Kung mapapansin nyo yung sculpture nito,
a massive sculpture
may mga guhit-guhit pababa.
on a smaller scale.
Siguro ito yun.
We consider the studio model to be as much a masterful work of art as the memorial itself. During the 14-year construction period, Borglum spent most of his creative
14 years? Wow.
adjusting
Alright, let's watch some history. It's 20 minutes video. 20 minutes.
This mountain has inspired people for generations. Here, where the past converges with the present and worlds intertwine, we reflect on an enduring American symbol that will be with us for generations to come.
That was good to know. I mean, actually, bigla ako na-realize na mas magandang panoorin to muna bago ka like, ano man, mag-spend ng time dito sa labas. It was worth it, and it's all free, babe, right? So I asked the lady to make sure na libre. So parang binabayaran pa lang namin dito is the vehicle entrance fee, I think. Parking for $10. Yeah.
It's good morning to each and every one of you in the Lakota language. We welcome each and every one of you here on this beautiful, lovely day here in Kingstown, South Dakota, by way of Mount Rushmore here. And today, we bring to you, representing the Northern Arapaho, the Ogallala Lakota, and the Crow Creek Dakota. On this lovely day, we're going to be showcasing some dancing, some songs, some language, some flute playing, and also a special performance by my family and by the two-time world champion here, a hoop dancer that you're going to see. Got questions, come up here, take pictures if you like. So we want to say thank you from us to you, the Bell family. Have a lovely rest of your day.
The best, man. Oo. Nabili ba ako na hawakan ni Evelyn yung yung apo? Yung di ba? Anong tribe yun? Grabe, man. Nagulat ako eh. Hinawakan ni Evelyn. Tapos may sumingit sa kanya. Napaka yung dance is very simple pero mararamdaman mo yung force ng energy sa heart mo na iba yung dating, iba. Lalo na kapag kumakanta na yung ibang lyrics tsaka ibang language, pero you will think na it was funny. Some people, I saw expressions on their face na parang natatawa sila. Pero ako iba naramdaman ko, malakas spirit yung no babe, no? Grabe. So yun. Mapa ko yung kamay mo, babe. Naawakan na ito yung yung apo nung Native American Oo, no? Grabe, no? So yun, mga idol, di namin alam na may dance na number sila. So pag-akit namin galing dun sa may movie theater. Yun, saktong-sakto. It was a good experience, it was a nice experience. Very powerful experience. 24, not bad. Hanap tayo ng maganda. Huh? What? Paano nangyari yun? Ako, hanapan mo ako, babe. Sabi, titingin ako dito. Oh, ito maganda. I like this. This is made in the USA. I like one of this. How much is this? Oh shoot, 109? Ganda na ito Cowboy collection. Made in the US. How much are this? $80? 80? Ito, ganda. American made. Saan nalagay ito? Babe, bagay sa yan, babe. Yan, yung mga dahon-dahon. Di ba meron silang educators
Sira.
discount? Kahit mga 20% lang. Because I really like that design. Wala kami. Huh? You don't like it?
No.
This is large.
XL. Yeah, get the XL. Mm-hmm.
So it was made authentic Big Vista brand, made in US. Thoughtfully crafted by true artisans. What is artisans?
Pabayaran mo na to.
What ito?
$5 isa lang yan.